Hi everybody, long time no see. I know I've been away from YouTube for a little bit, but I've been teaching like a crazy person online and just took a little bit of a social media break. And so we are back now, and I wanted to start off with telling you that the Summer 2020 Kathryn Morgan Haul is now available. This one is stunning, so high quality. You might have seen some sneak peeks of it on Instagram. The theme for this box is Dewdrop. So that was actually a very much requested one. Some of you wanted me to do Dewdrop. So that is what we did. If you want to be surprised as what is in the box, click off, go away, goodbye. But if not, I'm going to unbox this for you. So as I said, the theme is Dewdrop. And so the first item in the box, as always, there is a leotard, some form of dancewear. It is this absolutely stunning Lulli pink leotard. Here is the front. And here is the back, mesh, gorgeous on, so beautiful, such a lovely color. Very pale pink, but still flattering. It is fully lined, FYI. You have an extra lining actually in the bust area, but the front is fully lined. I know some of you are going to ask that, but it is so comfy, so beautiful, such high quality. I love Lulli. They are such a beautiful brand. So obviously with Dewdrop, we had to go with pink. And then the second thing, you guys are going to be really excited because in this box, you're getting a leotard and a skirt. This beautiful light pink kind of petal skirt, which goes beautifully with the leotard. As you can see in the picture, works wonderfully. And it's just, the classic sort of ballet skirt. But it is so high quality, so well made, and just stunning. I just love this box. As you all know, like blush pink is kind of like my thing, obviously with all the logos that I have and such. So the next item in the box are some hair accessories, because we haven't really done a lot of hair accessories, and I know these are kinds of things that sort of go missing, especially during performance season, or you find rubber bands in the most random places or bobby pins in the most random places. So we just wanted to include some of these for you guys, because you can never have too many of these, because as I said, they mysteriously wander off. And then finally, of course, a pair of pink tights from Dancewear Corner. Classic. You can never have too many pairs of pink tights. As always, when you order this box, if you don't already subscribe, you go on there, you pick your leotard size, your tight size. We have everything from a child's large to an adult extra large. We are trying to expand the sizes. I know that was a big request from some of you, but we have listened. We are learning, and so we are trying to expand the sizes. So that is the Summer 2020 Kathryn Morgan Haul. I absolutely love it. I hope you guys do too. It is just beautiful. Really, really excited about it. I will link in the box below where you can go and see this and purchase one if you like. I know some of you have already subscribed and you just keep getting the box regularly, which is an option. You can purchase them individually or subscribe, and they will just show up at your door quarterly. This is a quarterly box. So anyway, love you guys so much. I have missed you. Thank you for hanging in there with me. If you missed some of the latest class videos, I did a bunch right at the beginning of quarantine, so one of them is down there. You can click it to watch. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time.